Hi guys, today we'll be teaching you how to make a 3D ice creamo.
Yeah.
So first one you want
You pick a flavor and then
you get the cone. So then you stick it, and that's the normal ice cream. But if you want to make the 3D one, you have to get this one. Oh wait. Oh no, I can't. Okay, so what you want to do is stick them like that. Make sure you have an extra.
yeah.
Because if you don't, it's gonna break.
Yeah, it's gonna break. It's a poochie.
Hope this video. I hope this video helps you. So here's the cone, and then you flip it over, and then you do this, and then you do that. 2 ice cream flavors, and then you do that. Oh no, that looks like a king hat.
And then you close it like that.
And ta-da! That is how you make